everyone. My name is Ivanka and I am from year A. And today I will be cooking Grandpa's sambal udang. I do love a spicy seafood dish. Sambal is a spicy sauce or paste well known for its pungent and tangy taste. Spicy prawns, whole prawns or shrimp are cooked in a spicy robust sauce made with chilies, shallots, garlics, stewed tomatoes and tamarind paste and belacan, which is a dried shrimp paste. Sambal udang is the perfect thing to go with our country's unofficial dish, nasi lemak. A sambal can serve as a condiment, an ingredient or a dish, which will always contain a large amount of chili. Now, let me introduce you to my restaurant. My restaurant is SSD Restaurant. Now, let me tell you all my ingredients. You will need 3 medium of onions peeled and chopped. You will then need 4 cloves of garlic peeled. You will then need 2 lemongrass stalks, white part only chopped roughly. You will need 2 to 5 bird's eye chili. You can add how much chili to your liking. You will then need 1 tablespoon of belacan. You will need 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. You will need half a teaspoon of ground turmeric. And for our main ingredient, we need 500 grams of fresh and peeled prawns. You will need 1/3 cup of water boiled. You will then need 3 tablespoons of your tamarind. You will need 2 teaspoons of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, and lastly 2 teaspoons of light soya sauce. So now those are all the ingredients that you will require. The first step is to process your onions, garlics, lemongrass and chili until it's finely diced. So first, I'm going to put my chilies into my onions into my mixing bowl. Afterwards, I'm going to put my 4 cloves of garlic peeled, which have been peeled. Then I'm going to put my 2 lemongrass stalks, which are chopped roughly. And last but not least, I'm going to put my chilies, which I'm putting 4 chilies to my liking. Then you just have to mix them. The second step is to heat up your wok. Make sure you be careful when you're on the fire and then add your oil. Now heat your oil for a few seconds until it starts to shimmer. And then now, after my oil is already starting to shimmer, I'll add my processed mixture. And then, after you add your processed mixture, you have to add your belacan. And now, just mix it. Now you have to fry your mixture over a medium heat for a few minutes until it starts becoming fragrant and starting to split. My mixture has become fragrant and now it's starting to split. So now you have to add your turmeric, and fry for another minute. This is how it should look. Now we have to fry for another minute, stirring very briskly. So right now I'm just combining all my ingredients so it's not raw. Now I'm going to add my prawns. Be careful as the pan is hot at this time. Now, after adding your prawns, combine it well. Now, after you add your prawns, you have to add your 1/3 cup of your boiled water. I'm going to add very carefully. Now, continue to stir. Now, you have to stir to combine, coating the prawns with the mixture like this. Next, add your tamarind and then add 2 teaspoons of sugar, which is to balance out the taste. And then add your 1.5 teaspoon of salt. And lastly, 2 teaspoons of light soya sauce. Now, you have to mix it well. Now you have to stir until your prawns are pink and cooked through like this. Now, your prawn sambal is almost done. You can choose to serve it with some steamed rice and some Chinese vegetables. Now my prawn sambal is ready to serve. Now I'm serving the food. Now this is optional, but you can garnish your prawn sambal with a bit of curry leaves. This is enough. Taste testers Judge Brendan and Judge Ryan will taste the food. Now they will review the food.
This is delicious. It's well made. Thank you. It has the right texture and the right sauce. So it is excellent.
Thank you.